We're going to be working a problem today. This is problem 2.41 in your book in chapter 2. And the problem asks for all of the significant resonance structures for the following compound. Oh yeah, sometimes I'm not good at drawing these. There we are. Okay. Okay, so here's our molecule. And it might be confusing at first to think, what is the, where do we even start? I like to start at wherever there is something like an oxygen, nitrogen, some kind of not carbon group. So here, the only way we can use a resonance structure with that oxygen, the double bonded oxygen, is to do something like this. And if we do that, we are left with we'll do the plus in blue here. A positively charged carbon and negatively charged oxygen, which isn't unhappy because the oxygen likes to have a negative charge and carbon can hold one. Next, I guess the thing to do would be to try and move around this positive charge because the positive is in a p orbital and can move around inside the conjugated system. There we are. I'm going to use a lighter pen for this. Okay, so we still have that negatively charged oxygen, but now the positively charged carbon moves over onto the ring. And I think we can kind of do this little dance the whole way around. And make some more resonance structures using the same strategy. So we know that the oxygen is here, so I'm just going to draw that in first. And this, and this. And the positive is here. Okay, and then it looks like we have one more we can make. Oh, that's a bad structure. There we are. That's at least a little better. So once again, we know we have that negatively charged oxygen. And this time, oh, my ring has too many carbons in it. That was the problem. There we are. Yeah, and those are the most significant resonance structures here. I would say probably the least significant resonance structure that you could make is this one. So we'll call this number 4, followed by each of these 3, which seem relatively the same, except, yeah. Yeah, they all seem relatively the same. Another way you could have gone about getting to these 1 through 3 structures is if you had started by coming up here first. All right, this has been problem 2.41.